Welcome back, and now news from sports. Richard D'Souza was elected president of Goa Badminton Association unopposed at the association's annual general body meeting. The newly appointed committee informed press persons that immediate development of badminton infrastructure will not be taken up as the government has its hands full with the Lusofonia Games coming up in a little over a year. The association will also have its own website soon, wherein crucial seedings, rankings and tournament schedules will be published. Along with the AGM elections too were conducted with the tenure of 4 years of new managing committee.
On Thursday, Goa Badminton Association held its annual general body meet and elections. President Richard D'Souza will continue as president as he was elected unopposed.
I am Richard D'Souza, newly elected President of the Goa Badminton Association. On my right is Mr. Tata Thakur, Secretary of the Goa Badminton Association. On my left, Mr. Gauri Dhond is the Vice President. Along with him, 3 more Vice Presidents.
We have, in fact, last week also I had been to Mr. Prabhu Desai and all, but nowadays with Lusofonia Games and the national games which are talked about, they have taken this thing because they don't want to do it in piecemeal. They are saying that they are going to update certain facilities at Ponda, Panjim, Margao. So by spending now little bit, it would just cross with the main intentions what they have for Lusofonia and these games. Zone Championship in last year we were the host for the West Zone Championship, which was with 5 teams, that is Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and host Goa. We also conducted one All India Open School Under 19 Championship. Girls event, there is one Anura Prabhudesai who has been doing well. She has participated in 3 All India tournaments. The present ranking is 5th. We have come out with a website of Goa Badminton Association. Mr. Samdeep Hevle, we are just put it on. Means shortly we will be going, rather putting up all the detailed tournaments. Even entries will be accepted on the website, which will help us to process the seedings and the draws. There were certain problems while doing the draws. I think with this we will come over all these problems. We have presented our balance sheets. We are our report, like we have a surplus amount of about 10 to 12 lakhs, which we have raised through our own sources. We will have to really do something from the association because there are 2-3 tournaments, but the affairs I would not. DSY. But I will tell you, I will not be able to comment. But then, if something can be done, we will see if we could have a inter-school or some tournament there.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Falari from Panji.
6 Red Snooker Championship is nearing the all-important finish. On Thursday, the preliminary rounds were done with and the quarterfinals rounds were played out. The semi-finals and finals will be played on Friday. This is for the first time such a snooker tournament is being held in the state. This tournament has been organized by Billiards and Snooker Association of Goa and is being played at the Club Gaspadais Hall in Miramar.
One.
From Miramar, our reporter Omkar Falari for Prudent Media.
Tiny tots were seen busy painting the expressions on the blank paper. Sanskar Bharati Panji and Chitrakshi had organized a drawing competition in Panji. It was held in 3 groups. Here are some of the visuals captured by Dinesh Karpe. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.